What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have back featured on the channel is the Sunday Weed and Grass Killer. It says it has 20 minutes results. We will test that again. You have your electrical wand right here. Well, battery. It's electric. Battery charges electric, right? So yeah. Make sure you definitely wear your PPE. All right, so the first thing we have to do is take this zip tie off. Can I do it with my hand? Gotta get scissors, you guys. Let me see. Found the screwdriver. Screwdriver work? Yeah, screwdriver work. Right, here we go. We have the wand, and I believe it has batteries in it already. All right, cool. All right, you guys, up close and personal. When you put this on, you have to take this cap off. And remember, I told y'all to wear gloves, right? Then you push the top in, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You have your wand. Now, this is how much they give you. This is all you get. Say it's about 2 foot. It don't come out here, so that's it. You have your sprayer, and I want to make sure I don't break it. It goes out to the side. See, I almost broke it. I was ready to pull up like this. You don't pull up, because if you can see right here, there's a blocker right there. So it goes like that, and then we're done. And I believe you could turn this if you want it to be sprayed like wide. This part right here, this is where your battery is at. So what you do is you pull this, and then it's activated. This is your lock right here. So I don't know if you can see it, but it says lock and then unlock. So that's it. So that's lock. Up once is unlock. So it don't go all the way up, which is somebody could easily break it like that. So don't try to force it all the way up. And that's it, you guys. Let me go ahead and go to the field. Alright, you guys, so with that being said, Sunday is definitely a brand that I recommend as far as this one goes. Sunday Weed and Grass Killer. We will test out more in the future, and yeah, that will be it, you guys. So like, comment, share, and subscribe.